My name's Jack Kremen, and I'm the Business Operations Specialist here at United One Source. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble one of our mobile poly bag racks. These racks are ideal for the transportation and storage of any sort of poly material that sits on a roll, such as our mattress bags. The first thing you'll need to do is ensure you have all the parts necessary to assemble your rack. This includes the following: 2 rack ends with welded J-hooks labeled A on your instructions, 4 holding rods labeled B on your instructions, 4 rod ends labeled C, 1 angle iron front bottom cross brace labeled D, 1 back bottom cross brace labeled E, 1 top rear cross brace labeled F, 2 back support braces labeled G, 2 wheelbase connectors labeled H, 1 flat iron front bottom cross brace labeled I, 16 sets of locking nuts and bolts labeled J, and 4 iron swivel casters labeled K. Okay, let's get started. We'll begin by attaching the rack ends to the wheelbase. Align the rack ends so that the L of the angle iron is facing inward. Next, attach a bolt from the underside of the wheelbase to the rack ends. Repeat this for both sides of the rack. Next, we will attach the top rear cross brace by aligning the bars so that the L of the angle iron is facing downward. Screw it in on both sides. Now, we'll attach the 2 back support braces. To do this, cross the braces in the center of the rear top cross brace and insert a bolt. Once screwed in, align the bottom of each support brace to the corresponding hole on the lower side of each rack end. To attach the front bottom support brace, locate the holes at the lower front hand side of the rack ends and screw it in. Repeat this on each side. Next, attach the front bottom cross brace to the wheelbase. Make sure the L of the angle iron is facing inward and screw it into the frontmost holes on the wheelbase mounts. Repeat this process for the rear bottom cross brace as well. Now, we can add the holding rods to the rack. Insert the longer side of each rod end into a holding rod and place it on the rack. Repeat this process for all 4 holding rods. Our final step is to attach the wheels. Start by inserting 1 wheel into the corresponding hole on the wheelbase and screw it in. Attach both wheels to one side before moving to the other. There you have it, folks, our mobile poly bag rack. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 1-800-338-6679, or you can contact our customer service team with the email provided below. Thank you for choosing United One Source.